What's up guys, welcome back to Damdo Creativity, a channel where you can learn awesome and incredible ideas on how to make DIY stuff at home. And as you guys can see, today I'm unboxing my new 750 watt INGCO angle grinder. As you guys can see, that's how the packaging looks like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open this box up. And if you open this box, the first thing you see is this little notebook here. This little notebook basically shows you all the information you need to know about the angle grinder, all the components that are used to build up this angle grinder and stuff like that, and even more, and even how to operate the angle grinder. You're gonna find all the relevant information in this little notebook here. Basically what it does is to show you only the basics on how to use the angle grinder easily and efficiently. So we're gonna move, and this little stuff here is the handle that you can use to screw into the angle grinder to hold it. Yeah, and this little black thing that you see is a grind spanner that you can use to change the grind discs and stuff like that. And here's the angle grinder itself. And last but not least is this wheel guard that you can use to mount it on the angle grinder to protect your hands from touching the grind discs and stuff like that, and it protects you from the sparkles that you get from welding or cutting any metal object. And that's the angle grinder right there, and it's looking pretty sweet, as you guys can see right now. And I really love this orange and black color of the angle grinder. And this little black thing you see here is the spindle lock. Is the lock that used to stop this rotating motion of the angle grinder in order to fix other discs like cotton discs and stuff like that. It really holds it in place and makes it very easily replaceable and stuff like that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and mount this wheel guard on the head of the angle grinder, because I'm about to use it and test it and see how it turns out. So as you guys can see, I've already mounted the wheel guard on the angle grinder, and I got myself a mini cutting disc that is about 15,000 RPM rotations per minute, and the angle grinder itself is about 12,000 RPM, so we're good to use it. So I'm just gonna lock that in place and use the spanner and push that little lock behind the angle grinder and lock that disc in place so that it won't move out when I'm using it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to take this handle and screw it in place to hold the angle grinder when I'm using it, so that it will be steady to use and stuff like that. And you can screw it the other way around, the other side over there, if you are left-handed. As you guys can see, I'm right-handed, that's why I'm screwing it on my left hand side. So that's it. So I'm just gonna plug it in and give it a quick test and see how it turns out, and later on I will be going and cutting some metal and PVC pipes and stuff like that. So let's plug it in real quick and give it a quick test. So as you guys can see, it's already plugged in. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on and see how it works. Yeah, and you're gonna see a little hole on the switch. That's the locking mechanism for the switch, so that the angle grinder won't turn itself off when you're using it. And if you want to turn it off, you're just gonna press this switch here, and it's gonna unlock it and pull backwards to switch the angle grinder off. I guess that's pretty easy. Yeah, so as you guys see, it worked pretty well, and I'm just gonna take this metal pipe and mark a 45-degree angle, and we're gonna go ahead and use the angle grinder to cut it up and see how it performs and stuff like that. So here I'm just gonna take the square and mark this 45-degree angle real quick. Yeah, so as you guys can see the mark, I'm just gonna go outside and cut it up. Currently I don't have a vise, so I'm just gonna step on it and lock it in place with my foot and try to cut it as precise as I can. Yep, so as you guys can see, it did a really good job at that. Cut it. And if you join these two 45-degree angles, it becomes a 90-degree angle, as you guys can see right now. And I'm just gonna use a PVC pipe also to cut it and see how it turns out. Yep, as you guys can see, it cut the PVC pipe really well, and I gotta say it works quickly and easier than the hacksaw. The hacksaw takes a lot of time and effort.
So that was it, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and if you really enjoyed, you know the drill. Leave a like and comment your thoughts in the comment section below. And as you guys see, I'm slowly but surely buying materials to carry out my DIY projects more easily and efficiently. So with that being said, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down there and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified for more interesting and outstanding videos that are to come later. So we got a lot of cool contents coming for you soon, and you will not want to miss those. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll catch you guys up in my next video. Peace out.